Every great harvest begins in the quiet of an early morning field. Each watermelon is carefully selected for its ripeness and quality. From field to factory, the journey to fresh juice begins. Inside, a state-of-the-art facility awaits every fruit. A thorough wash removes dust and prepares the fruit for processing.
Every surface is cleaned to the highest hygiene standard.
Smart sensors sort each melon by size, weight, and ripeness. Precision cutting equipment slices each melon with exact accuracy.
The vibrant red flesh reveals the fruit's natural sweetness.
Inside the extractor, every drop of juice is carefully pressed out.
Fresh watermelon juice flows into the collection tanks.
Every batch is monitored closely to maintain consistent quality. Fine filtration ensures a smooth, pulp-free finish. Gentle pasteurization preserves flavor while ensuring safety.
Quality checks confirm every batch meets the highest standard. Sealed and labeled, each bottle is ready for final inspection.
Only the finest bottles move forward to packaging. Robotic precision packs every bottle safely and efficiently. Every carton is sealed, dated, and ready for shipment. From the warehouse, fresh juice heads out to the world. Every bottle carries the freshness of the field to your table.